Hi, my name is Murphy Perng. I'm a certified wine consultant and the founder of Matter of Wine, a business that produces educational wine events. In this video, we are going to teach you how to properly drink a glass of wine. To experience wine at its best, you'll need to enjoy it at the optimal temperature using the appropriate drinkware. Begin by chilling your wine. Prepare ice, water, and an ice bucket. Fill the bucket 3/4 of the way full with equal parts ice and water so that the chilled water fully surrounds your wine, quickly bringing down its temperature. Place a bottle of white wine in the bucket for about 20 minutes to chill it to between 45 and 55 degrees. Place a bottle of red wine in the bucket for about 10 minutes to chill it to between 55 and 64 degrees. Drinking wines at these temperatures will allow them to retain their acidity while bringing out their flavors and aromas. Be sure to select the glass that will accentuate your wine's most attractive qualities. For your whites, choose a medium-sized wine glass with a smaller mouth. This glass will allow you to enjoy the fresh, fruity aromas from the wine that will occupy the top of the glass. For your reds, choose a larger glass with a medium mouth. The wider bowl exposes red wine to more air, helping to open up and develop its aromas. Always select a wine glass with a stem. This way, when you hold your glass, the heat from your hand won't be as easily transferred to the wine. There are 5 main categories of wine: white, rosé, red, sparkling, and dessert. White wines can be made from both white and red grapes. During the winemaking process, the grape skins generally don't spend time immersed in the grape juices, so no color is extracted from the skins. Rosé wines are primarily made from red grapes. There are multiple ways to make rosés. Usually, the grape skins spend a short amount of time, a few hours to a few days, immersed in the grape juice. This allows color, tannin, and flavor to be imparted into the wine. Red wines are made from red grapes. The process of making red wines is similar to the process of making rosé wines. Instead of the grape skins being immersed in the grape juices for a few hours to a few days, the skins spend a longer period of time soaking in the juices, allowing more complete extraction of color, tannin, and flavor. Sparkling wine can be made from white or red grapes. Most production methods involve 2 alcoholic fermentations. After a still base wine is made, liqueur de tirage, liquid containing sugar and yeast, is added, and a second fermentation is induced. The yeast generates carbon dioxide, producing bubbles in the wine. Dessert wines are sweet wines that generally accompany dessert. Fortified wines, late harvest or botrytized wines, ice wine, and wines made using the pasito method fall under this category. Just as there are different categories of wine, there are different varieties of wine grapes that are used to make wines in each category. In fact, over 10,000 varieties are grown in the wine-producing regions of the world. Most of the grape varieties indigenous to wine-producing regions never gain worldwide recognition. The ones that do, we call international varieties. These are the varieties I would recommend you begin with if you're looking to get into the world of wine. Try single varietal wines, wines that are mostly made from one grape, before you start on blends. This will help you understand the characteristics of these popular grapes. White varietals to taste include Sauvignon Blanc, Pinot Grigio, Riesling, and Chardonnay. Red varietals to taste include Pinot Noir, Grenache, Syrah, Merlot, and Cabernet Sauvignon.